This week I took a very beautiful trade on US oil using the 1 hour time frame. So the first thing I did was to look at the trend of the market. To cut the long story short, I map out my recent break of structure to the upside. So my other two confluences that I always look at for is my liquidity and fair value gap, so which were present on this trade. So after that, I map out my demand zone and waited for price to tap into my demand zone. So I always have three types of confirmation when taking my setup. So the confirmation I used on this trade was market structure shift on the lower time frame. So after waiting for a market structure shift on the lower time frame, I entered this trade on the other block of the market structure shift, and you can see the beautiful displacement to the upside. I collected 1:10 on this trade, although it's dished out 1:15/1:16, but I collected my profit at 1:10. So other trade, I also had other trade I entered, but they are still playing out. They are not yet at TP. So the result is not out yet. They are not hitting my TP or SL. So maybe till next week. So this is the trade I took this week, and thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to follow me up for more videos like this.